Hello guys, I'm making this video to teach you an important decluttering and organizational skill. Usually you'll have things around the sofa area where you usually watch TV and sit down with the family, and they kind of contribute to clutter. So I've come up with a strategy which is I think a good solution to this problem. As you see here, my table is a glass table, but even if you haven't got a glass table, it's still a good strategy because then you don't really have to have pretty things that show. You can have different colors, but I've chosen to have matching objects under my table which go with the carpet and with the grey. So you can store these things underneath the table. The first thing that I'm storing is just an extra little footstool which can be used as a little extra seat when you get guests, and also to put your feet on when you're sitting on the sofa. Or of course you don't have to have a footstool if you don't want one, but these two are the organizational or decluttering items which I like to talk about today. They're both boxes, so this is also a box, but it looks like a book, and it has all my things which I usually use. It has my body butter, my eye cream, some candles, my exerciser, a lighter for the candles, and small items that I usually need in the evening when I'm sitting down over here. You can use this to put anything in here and it won't show. It'll just look like a nice decoration, nice and clean, with no small items placed anywhere on extra tables or extra boxes outside. Now this is a box that I bought from TK Maxx, which is which is used as a computer box for any extra computers, wires. You can just store them in here. Children have like iPads, PlayStations, wires, games hanging around, so you can just put them in this box and it'll just give a lovely look to your sitting area, and you'll know that the things are always at hand when you need them. You can also use any kind of different beautiful boxes that you have at hand. You can also make some boxes from old boxes and decorate them in the colors or with the cloth that you like. So this is just what I've chosen to do. I forgot to mention in my video that this book box also comes from TK Maxx, and they always have different kinds there, and they're available in some stationery shops as well. So basically you can use any kind of different boxes for this purpose, and any amount which fit under your table, 1 or 3, and even pile them up, as long as you don't have the clutter lying around your area where you're sitting down. So please like and subscribe to my videos, and I'll be posting more organizational and decluttering skills for different rooms of the house and different items and how to store them, and also how to get rid of them. Bye.